Right now, you can buy art pieces as accents for your home, or you can make your own. That really tells a story. Access Carolina's Ava Bratz is visiting Hawaii Fluid Art for us, where you can design your own tumbler, and that is a work of art in itself. A lot of things to do there, Ava.
Absolutely. We just wrapped up with the canvases that you can decorate the interior, but you can also make some tumblers to walk around with, and really one sip and you're just transported into an artsy, customized, beautiful world. And the man who makes it happen is Adam. So Adam, we're talking about these resin tumblers. So I mean, these are beautiful. These have actually been spinning for how long?
24 hours.
Wow. Yep. So that's not for every tumbler, but these are pretty special.
It takes about 12 hours to get nice and ready.
Okay, it doesn't really? Okay, yep. Very nice. So let's walk me through it. We can pick any kind of like just completely open base, and then we get to work.
Yep, so we got all these empty ones that you guys can choose from. We're going to come over here.
Nice.
And I'm going to give you this.
Okay.
So that is our resin.
Very nice. Take a look at the resin.
Oh, yeah. Put a drop of white in there for you.
Alrighty. Now you pick a base, right? So my base is going to be
Your
hot
base
pink.
is pink right now.
Per brand. And then we pick 2 accent colors.
Yes.
Fantastic. Alrighty.
And
so
then just
nice
drizzle that on that side there.
Woo!
Nice and thin. Low and slow.
Low and slow. Like a good brisket during game time. Come on. This is so cool. And so this is nice to do with, I mean, solo, or you could do it with a group, yeah?
Yeah, we do solos, we do groups, parties.
Yeah. And what is it about this paint? It's got like a really beautiful sheen to it.
Yeah, so we actually use like a sparkly little powder here that we put in the resin. Kind of gives it some sparkle, some texture.
Beautiful. I think, was it Susie said it had some mica in there?
Yeah.
Okay, for all you rock specialists. Okay, is that enough white?
That's perfect. That's perfect. We're going to do one more color. And as it turns, you can kind of see already those movements
look at that.
there.
Taking shape.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my word. It's speaking to me, Margaret. It is speaking to me. This is beautiful. And you guys, your whole family has an artsy background, which is just not fair. You're kind of in that sculpture mindset, yeah?
Yeah, I did a little bit back in high school. So
he said I dabbled. He won his high school competition. Okay. We're just going to sell yourself short here?
I mean...
Nah. Do you think you'll do a sculpture class this year one day?
I'd love to.
Yeah,
that'd be great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. Take a look at this. That's a beautiful color. Love. Okay, same thing, Drizzy Driz?
Yep.
Okay. Love it, love it. We're going to go a little crazier.
Oh, yeah. I love it. I love it.
Do we encourage chaotic behavior?
You do what you want.
Oh, my gosh.
Let your creation
That's a good
flow.
mantra. You do you, boo-boo.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Okay, love.
Love it.
Fantastic. And so this will just kind of twisty turn.
Turn for 12 hours, and then you're done.
Fantastic. And hot, cold, you would recommend washing it by hand, right?
Washing it by hand, cold, hot water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good deal. All right, we'll put all sorts of yummy beverages, and you can even do a fun margarita glass, a nice vase. Perfect for gifts, I would imagine.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Okay, we're wrapping up here our resin tumblers. We'll check back in 12 hours. No, we'll check back in to talk more about the amazing local artists they feature in the front of their beautiful studio here on Woodruff Road.
Very cool. They're probably going to want to feature that, Ava. Looks like a work of art. We'll see you later.